Hi everyone. The sporting character of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo and the enjoyment of an engaging driving experience can be enhanced still further with model-specific components and products from BMW M Performance Parts. These retrofit options from the original BMW Accessories range developed using the racing expertise of BMW M GmbH lend extra depth to the agile and dynamic driving characteristics of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo and bring a powerfully sporty aura to the exterior and interior. Expressive design, exclusive materials and first-class quality ensure distinctive looks and racetrack flair on the road. The 2021 BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo is something of an individualist within the premium executive segment and meets the richly varied requirements of modern and extremely discerning customers. It combines the sporting ability for which BMW is renowned with outstanding comfort over long distances. An external appearance brimming with presence and elegance is supplemented by compelling functional versatility. A unique vehicle concept, rigorously updated. A precisely modified body design and refinements to various interior design details further sharpen the profile of this unique vehicle concept. The new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo captures the imagination more than ever with its striking sense of outward sportiness and the layered premium ambience of its spacious, luxurious interior. Driving pleasure and efficiency are enhanced by a further developed spread of drive systems and the introduction of mild hybrid technology. The progressive character of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo is also showcased by the combination of a fully digital instrument cluster and control display, each with a screen diagonal of 12.3 inches, and further innovations in the areas of driver assistance systems, control/operation and connectivity. The distinctive characteristics of the vehicle breed with no direct rival have been comprehensively updated with the introduction of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. Its exterior design brings together the sporting aesthetic of a coupe with the elegant prestige of a luxury sedan. Its sumptuous, variable-use interior creates the ideal environment for assured driving pleasure, standout long-distance comfort and a compelling functionality both in everyday use and on trips away. These universal, harmoniously interwoven qualities underpin the ever-increasing popularity of the BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. More than 50,000 customers around the world have so far plumbed for this distinctive vehicle character. Dynamically stretched proportions mark out the exterior design of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo, which focuses primarily on sporting elegance and functional versatility. With a length of 5,091 mm, width of 1,902 mm and height of 1,538 mm, its exterior dimensions are unchanged. The long bonnet, setback passenger compartment and extremely long wheelbase, 3,070 mm, combine with the slim side window graphic, the frameless windows of the four doors, the roofline flowing well into the rear end, the large tailgate and an active rear spoiler that automatically extends when the car reaches 120 km/h, 75 mph, to give the car its unmistakable appearance. Front end, sharper presence, eye-catching sportiness. The front and rear end design developed for the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo reflects the brand's current design language. Generously designed surfaces and a clear geometry formed by a small number of lines provide a vivid showcase for the car's presence and pronounced sportiness. In particular, new contours for the BMW kidney grille and the headlights immediately bordering it on either side help the front end to make a striking impression. The kidney grille now spreads out further to the sides and reaches further down into the front apron. Its two kidney elements are framed by a single-piece surround, and the top sections of the grille bars protrude particularly far forward. The extended dimensions of the BMW kidney grille and the now slimmer contours of the headlights emphasize the broad front end of the new BMW 6 Gran Turismo. Its standard equipment includes new full LED headlights including adaptive cornering function and the BMW Selective Beam non-dazzling high beam assistant with matrix technology. The clear design of the light graphic is accentuated by two L-shaped daytime driving light sources arranged next to one another. All of the light functions use LEDs. The outer daytime driving lights now also perform the role of turn indicators. The cornering light and high beam are proactively adjusted using GPS. The dynamic light distribution function enables the illumination of the road ahead to be adjusted to the driving situation at hand. In urban areas, for example, the dimmed cornering light is switched on to more brightly illuminate the side area of the road. When driving on motorways, low beam range can be increased as appropriate. The matrix function for the high beam with BMW Selective Beam technology enables the headlights range to be extended without dazzling other road users. Here, high beam is split into several LED segments. These can be activated and deactivated independently of one another and in response to the situation on the road. When the front-mounted camera of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo detects a vehicle on the road ahead or approaching from the opposite direction, the area of the road in which the vehicle is driving is only illuminated using low beam, while the remaining high beam segments continue to improve visibility over the remainder of the road. The latest version of the adaptive LED headlights with matrix function and BMW laser light can be specified as an option. In the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo, the new laser light sources, unique in this vehicle segment, team up with dynamic light distribution and BMW selective beam non-dazzling high beam to give extremely intense road illumination tailored precisely to the situation at hand. Comfort and range are significantly improved on country roads and motorways thanks to BMW selective beam incorporating BMW laser light. At higher speeds, BMW laser light increases high beam range to a maximum 650 meters and follows the course of the road dynamically. An identifying feature of BMW laser light, visible with the headlights on or off, are the blue inlays in the upper edges of the headlight units. Also on the options list for cars fitted with either variant of the adaptive LED headlights with matrix function are BMW individual lights shadow line with darkened inlays at their upper edges. Newly designed front and rear aprons further emphasize vehicle width. M Sport package with newly designed aerodynamic features, trapezoidal exhaust tailpipe finishers on all models. The design of the front and rear aprons also contributes to the further accentuated vehicle width. The air intake below the front bumper is now split into 3 segments. The 2 vertically arranged outer intakes belong to the air curtains designed to reduce turbulence around the wheel arches, while the aerodynamically optimized body features of the M Sport package include a low-set spoiler lip. Added to which, the surfaces of the front apron have an arrow-shaped structure with mesh elements which points towards the road and highlights the sporting character of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo particularly clearly. A new surface split also gives the rear apron a particularly wide and eye-catching appearance. The horizontal contour line below the boot lid is now more strongly defined and extends into the flanks of the body. On cars specified with the M Sport package, the diffuser element is particularly large. The exhaust tailpipe finishers integrated on the left and right-hand sides of the rear apron are now trapezoidal in shape. The precisely modified design of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo is complemented by an extensively revised selection of body paint finishes. The Phytonic Blue Metallic, Piedmont Red Metallic and Bernina Gray Amber Effect variants have been added to the range of color shades available to customers. On cars with the M Sport package, the Portimao Blue Metallic finish can be specified, too. And the 3 BMW individual finishes Dravite Gray Metallic, Tanzanite Blue Metallic and Alvit Gray Metallic are also offered. Cars with the M Sport package can now be ordered with a BMW individual high-gloss Shadowline package with extended features. Here, the surround for the BMW kidney grille and the exhaust tailpipe finishers come in black chrome. 2 versions of the optional M Sport braking system are available for the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. As well as the blue brake calipers available up to now. Customers can now also specify them with a red paint finish. In both cases, the calipers carry the M logo. The driver-focused design of the cockpit and raised seating position provide the ideal setting in which to experience driving pleasure laced with poise and assurance. Customers can enjoy exceptional long-distance comfort and a luxurious ambience thanks to the extremely generous levels of space for the driver, front passenger and rear passengers, the material and build quality taken to a higher level still, and more additions to the selection of high-quality equipment features. Another central element of this unique luxury coupe concept is the variable ooze interior, which gives the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo a modern and versatile functionality both in everyday driving and on trips away. The high-opening tailgate of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo rises to reveal storage capacity of 600 liters, even with all the seats in use. Automatic tailgate operation remains part of standard specification and loading the boot is even easier with the optional Comfort Access function, which also includes hands-free tailgate opening and closing. The 40 hours 20 minutes 40 seconds rear seat backrest can be folded down at the touch of a button in the boot via the electric remote unlocking function. This allows the load compartment's capacity to increase to as much as 1,800 liters. The rigid 2-section luggage cover can be stowed away in a compartment underneath the boot floor. The newly designed controls on the center console, whose surfaces are now all in high-gloss black, provide an even more refined premium feel inside the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. The new brown contrast stitching, which divides up the black surfaces of the optional Sensatec instrument panel, adds a new and exquisite flourish. The standard BMW Live Cockpit Professional displays information via the combination of a fully digital instrument cluster and a control display, each of which have a screen diagonal of 12.3 inches. The standard leather sports steering wheel uses exquisitely designed and newly arranged multifunction buttons to make the standard and optional connectivity, entertainment and assistance systems even easier to operate. The standard Dakota leather trim is offered in the colors black, cognac, and ivory white. Customers can also choose from other variants with exclusive stitching and piping in contrasting colors. Further options include Napa leather trim in black, mocha or ivory white, and BMW individual merino full leather trim in caramel, tartufo or smoke gray. Sumptuous diamond quilting for the surfaces of the seat cushions and backrests underscore its exclusive character. The selection of interior trim strips offered has also been expanded. Newly added to the M Sport package is the aluminium rhombical smoke gray variant. And the array of items included on the options list has increased further with the addition of ash open pore fine wood trim with accent trim strips in pearl effect chrome. Another 3 particularly high-quality interior trim strips can be found in the BMW individual range. An array of high-quality options are available to further enhance driving pleasure, comfort and individuality. The new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo has 2-zone automatic climate control with extended features as standard. And customers can also add options such as 4-zone automatic climate control, a panoramic glass sunroof, the ambient air package, controls with electroplated or ceramic applications, electrically adjustable roller sun blinds, a soft close function for the doors and auxiliary heating. The ambient lighting option includes LED illumination around the instrument panel and door shoulders and in the footwells. 6 light colors can be selected from the iDrive Control/Operation Systems menu to tailor the indirect lighting to personal preferences. As well as the welcome light carpet for the area where the driver and passengers get into and out of the car. Dynamic interior lighting is also fitted as standard. Here, pulsating light signals are sent out in certain situations. They appear on the inner paneling of an open door when the engine is running and on the instrument panel in response to an incoming phone call. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system guarantees luxurious audio pleasure with its fully active amplifier, 16 speakers and 1,400 watt output. The latest version of the rear seat entertainment professional comprises 2 touchscreen monitors with full HD technology, a Blu-ray player and 2 USB ports. Integration into the new BMW operating system 7 gives the rear passengers new ways of selecting the content shown on the displays and of using digital services during a journey. The new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo takes its sporting prowess, efficiency and poise to another new level. Underpinning this progress from a technical point of view are an extensive upgrade of the engine lineup and an expansion of the model range. Here, as elsewhere in its portfolio, the BMW Group is pressing ahead with its electrification strategy. As a result, all engine variants for the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo feature mild hybrid technology with a 48-volt starter generator as standard. Efficiency has been enhanced in both the petrol and the diesel engines by making greater use of the electricity generated when recuperating brake energy. At the same time, the boost provided by an extra 8 kW/11 horsepower of electrical power enables even more driving pleasure. The interplay between the mild hybrid system and the latest BMW twin-power turbo technology for the combustion engines highlights the progressive nature of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. The new model comes with a choice of 2 petrol and 3 diesel engines generating between 140 kW/190 horsepower and 250 kW/340 horsepower. Thanks to their state-of-the-art emission control technology, the engines already comply with the strict requirements of the Euro 6D emission standard, which comes into force in 2021. The emissions of the petrol engines have been minimized by the inclusion of a petrol particulate filter, while the system of emission control for the diesel engines employs BMW Blue performance technology, including an SCR catalyst with AdBlue injection for reducing nitrogen oxide emissions. All engines team up with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission as standard. The BMW X-Drive intelligent all-wheel drive system in 6-cylinder inline versions of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo directs drive torque to the wheels as the situation demands, in all weather and road conditions. Mild hybrid technology has been incorporated into all model variants of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo, optimizing engine efficiency and giving power delivery an even sportier edge. The use of a 48-volt starter generator helps to both lighten the combustion engine's workload and boost its power, bringing a reduction in fuel consumption and emissions, and sharpening performance. Fitting an extremely powerful 48-volt starter generator and a second battery greatly increases the ways in which brake energy regeneration and the recuperated electrical energy can be utilized. When the driver releases the accelerator, The generator transforms the kinetic energy into electricity to be stored in the 48 volts battery. Energy recuperation on the overrun is particularly intense when the driving experience control switch is set to sport mode. The additional deceleration generated over and above the engine braking effect is also harnessed when the brakes are applied. A newly developed braking system enables the combination of electrical and mechanical deceleration to be deployed as required and with maximum efficiency at all times. The recuperated energy accumulating in the 48 volts battery is also supplied to the 12 volts electrical system and used for powering the associated vehicle functions, from the lights, steering and power windows to the ventilation, audio system and seat heating. In addition, the stored energy can be used for generating additional drive power when it is fed back to the 48 volt starter generator. The starter generator then acts like an electric drive unit to assist the engine, allowing it to operate within an efficiency-optimized load range as frequently as possible and ensuring there are fewer peaks in fuel consumption. When the car is accelerating, the 48 volt starter generator is also able to offer the driver an electric boost effect that can instantly put an extra 8 kilowatts/11 horsepower on tap for more dynamic power delivery. The result is even sharper response off the line and even quicker bursts of speed when already on the move. Thanks to the 48 volts battery's extra storage capacity and the more intense harvesting of braking energy, the generator is seldom required to generate electricity during the engine's high load phases. This lightens the combustion engine's workload considerably and increases its efficiency. The system is nevertheless able to charge the 48 volts battery from the generator, even while driving at a constant speed. However, this method of generating electricity by raising the engine's load point is only employed when the battery charge is low and preferably during phases when it does not have a detrimental effect on engine efficiency. The powerful 48 volts starter generator has the additional benefit of allowing the engine to be switched off and started again very swiftly with remarkably little vibration. The result is improved comfort when the auto start, stop and coasting functions are in use. When the driver brakes as they approach a junction or the back of a queue of traffic, for example, the engine can be switched off when the car's speed drops below 15 km per hour, 9 miles per hour. And if the coasting function is activated, the engine is also completely shut off rather than just being decoupled from the drivetrain. This function is now operational at speeds between 25 and 160 km per hour, 16 to 99 miles per hour, and, on the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo, it is available not just in Eco Pro mode but also Comfort mode. The mild hybrid technology works in unison with the latest version of BMW twin-power turbo technology for the petrol and diesel engines offered in the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo. The raft of technological measures in the two petrol engines, one 4-cylinder and one 6-cylinder unit, comprises a twin-scroll turbocharger and the high-precision injection system, whose injectors are positioned centrally between the valves and operate at maximum pressure increased from 200 to 350 bar. This allows the fuel to be metered with even greater precision, thereby raising efficiency and also ensuring remarkably clean combustion. Other features include Valvetronic fully variable valve timing and double Vanos variable camshaft timing for the intake and exhaust sides. The exhaust manifold integrated into the cylinder head, with a water-cooled design that aids thermal management, is found on both petrol units. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine for the new BMW 630i Gran Turismo generates maximum output of 190 kilowatts/258 horsepower and peak torque of 400 Nm, 295 pounds-to-foot. The new BMW 640i Gran Turismo and BMW 640i X-Drive Gran Turismo, meanwhile, are powered by a 6-cylinder inline engine producing maximum output of 245 kilowatts/333 horsepower and peak torque of 450 Nm, 332 pounds-to-foot, from its 3.0-liter displacement. All of the engines offered for the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo link up with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission as standard. The latest version of the automatic transmission features a weight-reduced design, a newly developed control system and an increased gear ratio spread. As a result, it is possible to achieve significant efficiency gains with lower engine speeds, particularly when driving in higher gears. A new generation of torsion dampers that reduce rotational irregularities within the powertrain helps to enhance both driving comfort and shift smoothness. Integral twin damper systems for isolating vibrations reduce the degree of slip at the torque converter lockup clutch. The optional 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission offers even sportier shift characteristics and faster gear changes. Shift paddles on the steering wheel allow rapid manual interventions in the gear selection process. And there is also a launch control function for powering off the line with optimal traction and maximum dynamic flair. The BMW X drive system ensures supreme traction, directional stability and agility, and is available for 3 model variants of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo, either as a standard feature or an option. The intelligent all-wheel drive system enhances the car's already supremely assured, sporty handling by relaying power to the wheels as required. A multi-plate clutch in the transfer case, whose electronic control technology is interlinked with the powertrain and chassis systems, takes care of distributing drive torque swiftly and precisely between the front and rear wheels, as the driving situation demands. All of the engine's torque is directed to the rear wheels in situations where all-wheel drive is not needed, optimizing the system's efficiency. The rear-biased setup of X-Drive is also notable when the car's dynamic performance abilities are being put to the test, delivering the type of driving experience for which BMW is renowned. The exceptional balance of sporting flair and long-distance comfort so clearly evident in the overall concept and styling of the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo is also mirrored in the chassis technology's design and tuning. With a long wheelbase and wide tracks, a body boasting a strong yet lighter structure, and perfect 50-50 weight distribution, the 6 Series Gran Turismo comes with all the tools to offer supreme ride comfort combined with agile and assured handling in any situation. Thanks for watching.